Where's Basscop been?
Have you seen him?
No.
Have you seen him?
Nope.
Have you seen him? Nope.
Have you seen him in anything?
Nope.
Oh, really? Have you seen him lately?
Have you seen him?
No, not in person.
Have you seen him?
Have you found him yet?
I found him. He's okay.
Yep. We found him.
I found him!
Found him.
Found him?
Oh, I found him.
Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you didn't like my cheesy little intro too much, but I just wanted to check in with you guys. You probably wondered, where'd all the videos go? What happened to them? Well, life has happened. As all of you know, not only am I, law enforcement, but I have a family and I have other obligations that I have to fulfill at times too. And life can get pretty stressful, and it's been that way for the last few weeks here. I haven't been able to put out any videos that I wanted to. It just seems like one thing after another has went wrong. And being a homeowner sucks. When one thing breaks, seems like everything breaks. And, I've been dealing with a hot water tank issue. That is a story all on its own. Maybe I'll explain some other time, but, I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know I'm still here. I've got some videos in the works. I got some stuff coming. Don't count me out. Don't drop me off your list. I got some stuff coming, and I got some other cool announcements coming up. One with some of the sponsors that we're picking up for Team Audiopipe. How cool is that? And maybe some CES stuff. We'll have to see on that. But I wanted to let my people know, not my people, but I wanted to let all my followers and subscribers know that I haven't given up on you, and I haven't given up on YouTube. Just things happen sometimes, and that's just life. And just wanted to let you all know that I'm coming, and I'm coming back with more. So bear with me, stick around. I'm trying to make my videos better for you guys. I hope that you're seeing that maybe they're getting better. I'm getting better at this editing thing, and this whole talking to a camera with no one else to talk to. So it's a little strange, but I'm getting better at it, I think. So anyways, in the end here, got more stuff coming, so be sure to stick around and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And make sure you hit that bell notification so when I do make an upload, you guys can watch it as soon as it comes out, or you can make a mental note, hey, he's got a new video out, I want to watch that when I get a chance. So until then, bass on, guys. Thanks a lot.